You then click on the register button, put in your first name, last name, email address and password and agree to the terms and conditions. Click the box and submit. Then you're ready to log in, so click log in, enter my details, click I'm not a robot and log in. And it's showing us this login ad. So we just have to wait for it to finish. And then when the timer expires, we just click continue to go to passive expert. Now this login ad is something that we can add. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. So let's click continue to passive expert. And we're brought to the colorful dashboard. Now I'll show you shortly what each panel means, but it's all very self-explanatory. But the first thing we want to do is make a deposit. So you come over to finance, click on deposit. So the minimum deposit is $10. Now I've already got $100 in here, so I'm going to bring that up to $1,000. So I type in 900. At the moment the only payment option is Bitcoin, so I just click next. So it's asking me to send this amount of Bitcoin. Now it's very important when you're sending the Bitcoin across that you add the fees on top. Now if I'm sending it from my Exodus wallet or my Trezor or blockchain.com or whatever, all of those ones add the fee on top. So make sure exactly that amount arrives. So firstly, I'm going to copy the Bitcoin wallet address to my clipboard. So I click on copy address to clipboard. And I'm using a Trezor wallet today. So I paste the address in there. Then I copy that amount, paste that in there. And the fee is quite high at the moment. The price must be fluctuating a lot at the moment. So I click send. So that transaction is now on its way. Now one of the things that they require on Passive Expert is to paste your Bitcoin transaction ID in here. Now it says here it's a 64 character blockchain hash stroke transaction ID. Now in every wallet you'll have the ability to click on the transaction. So I'm going to click on this transaction here. And it shows me the transaction ID here. Now I can just double click on that, right click and copy, or I can get that from the URL at the top. And in the URL, it's everything after the TX/. So the whole rest of that line. So I'm going to paste that in here, scroll down, and it just reminds us to send exactly the amount they've asked for. So I click here to finish, and that's now pending. Now what's happening in the background is that transaction is being approved. So it's got to wait for the confirmations, and using that transaction ID I pasted in, they're going to validate that the exact amount has been sent. So I'll come back as soon as that's approved. And I've received an email telling me my deposit for $900 has been approved and the funds are now available. And it says to purchase one of our AdPacks, just log into your account, click AdPacks, and then buy AdPacks. So let's do that. So the status says approved there. And if I just go to the dashboard, you can see in the available balance here on the right that I have $975. Now 900 of that is what I've just deposited. 75 is commissions. So if I go to AdPacks on the left and then buy AdPacks, now that's a nice message there. Look, based on your available balance, you can buy 195 AdPacks. So it does the calculation for you. Now that's nice. I like that. So let me just double check. So 975, divide that by 5 equals 195. Correct. Now I want to buy exactly 900 worth. So I divide that by 5, 180. So I put in 180. Scroll down and buy now. So it says the AdPack and rewards component takes 2 to 3 days to activate. The advertising credit component, however, will be in your account immediately and is available for use straight away. Okay, cool. So I've got $1,000 there that's pending. Now I don't need to take any further action. In 3 days time, I'll check my daily profit and I should be receiving my payments then. So that's all done. Now let me just show you the rest of the system. So once that $1,000 is active, it'll show here in this first panel. I've got 1,000 pending in the second panel and nothing's expired. And I'll do a withdrawal there to show you how that works. And I already did a test withdrawal yesterday. And then the referral tab shows level 1, 76 people, and level 2, 12 people. Now if I click on referrals and then my referrals, you can see your link here and you can just copy that address to the clipboard if you want to share that with people. And it tells us here that on level 1 you earn 8% and then level 2 you earn 3%. So 2 levels. Now the very first time you do a withdrawal, it'll ask you to enter your 2FA details, your two-factor authentication. You can't withdraw without doing 2FA. So I click on withdrawals, put in my withdrawal amount, paste in my wallet address, put in my 2FA code, and withdraw. So that's now pending, and I'll come back in a minute when that's processed. Now while I'm waiting for that to be processed, I'll show you how to create the login ads. So if I come to AdPacks and then create login ads, right, so I've got 2,000 credits available. So I'll put in 50 credits. Now the login ads are on a rotation and it's random, so everyone who fills in these login ads will have a chance of their ad being shown whenever people log in. So I click on create login ad, and there we go. So 50 credits allocated, none used, 50 remaining, and the status is pending approval. Great. Now in the terms and conditions, it does mention that you can't use login ads that are pointing to strange sites, inappropriate sites. So that's a good check to have there. Now withdrawals are manual. Now we can usually expect to receive them within the day. And of course it depends how many transactions are going through. But at the moment my experience is that they're being processed very quickly. Bingo, there it goes, lovely. And if I just check to see what that amount is, 75.46 based upon its estimation of the current exchange rate. Excellent. So if I just refresh that screen, and it's paid. Brilliant. So that's Passive Expert, a very smooth system, a very easy website to use. Anyway, if you like Passive Expert, let me know in the comments below. Alright, take care guys.
Hi friends, this is a new opportunity. I will show you today how to make account, how to deposit money, and how to earn to this new website, BAP website. This is a option where you can deposit via Bitcoin, via Pair, and Perfect Money. Like you can see, I deposit here, and I am in the 5 group. This is a dashboard. You can see here your daily earnings. You can see here your account balance, and you can purchase AdPack here. For example, use your daily balance and purchase BAP points. 2,200 BAP points is $1.10. Okay, I will purchase now. Okay, like you can see here is last 20 transactions, and I will now go to my paid ads to earn more money, and this is updated BAP points. Just click on ads, wait 15 seconds, and earn 0.14 cents. Confirm, and like you can see, now is your balance updated. This is a bonus ads. You can earn here BAP points. For one advertising ad, you can earn 10 BAP points. This is a awesome new opportunity. Hits Cash is awesome for new members, and if you invest, you can very fast reinvest your money and earn more. Just click on registration link below this video and invest some money to earn very big opportunity here. And you can see daily statistics. In group in this time, in group 1 we have 26 members, in group 2 50 members, and etc. Like you can see, this program have 1 member in group 9, and this is total cash out from program, and this is today cash out. Total members is now 2,400. Like you can see, this is now time for big opportunity to advertise and find new referrals for you. Like you can see, I have in this time 15 referrals. Okay, now it's time to make for you account and earn a really big money. See ya.